welcome to another episode of Delicious Life TV. Take a look at this 53 Chevy 3100. Check it out. Welcome to another episode of Delicious Life TV. What do you think, guys? This is a beautiful 1953 Chevrolet 3100. This truck is fully customized and fully restored to immaculate condition. Look at that beautiful mint paint job with that beautiful white wall tires. And that bumping that old school R&B music, low-riding music. And for what I know, this truck is actually one of the members of the Road Kings, one of old school bombs. Let's go inside, dive into what's inside. Check out that 5 window. Look at that shifter, 3 on a 3. For what I know, the engine on this one is called the Thriftmaster Inline 6. Talk about some serious old school stuff, guys. You like 50s trucks? You like old trucks, restored and rusty ones? Comments down below. And while you're at it, consider about subscribing to my channel and also hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos like this one. Look at that beautiful immaculate truck, guys. Look at that custom woodwork. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini video. For once again, I'll give you all this walk around video, all of these car spotting video. For once again, this is your host, Kuya Miguel, for another episode of Delicious Life TV.